Italian suits, very good clothes, best in the world. They used to buy our best wool, very fine merino wool. In Australia, they would pay the top money. The sheep population was 80 million now because everyone was losing money. We were not making money from sheep. But now that they are getting twice as much for them, so we have to breed our sheep population up again. And if Australia can get the sheep population up to where it was and still get reasonable prices with our beef as well, and our beef numbers are good now, so it makes you wonder what we could have got even when the dollar was low, because that's what happened. But so, as you are probably aware, the American economy is not very strong. And give good ideas about how to get there much better. The Chinese airlines are cheap. You have China Southern, China Eastern, Philippine Airlines that students flew because they had to pay a little more because at that they were $600 dearer in Moscow than what they were in Australia. So we got less for 7 students. But you go through Hong Kong. I did investigate and I found it was cheaper to fly to Sydney and then get a direct flight to Cairns from Sydney, much cheaper. It's very upmarket Chinese restaurants. For being big gamblers. They bet on horses and poker and machines and very big gamblers. They're interesting. C.05 you will have your licence taken off you. Hello. Mention that because when I was on the aeroplane, when I was at the airport in Beijing, I was talking to a very nice Russian lady who has a business here in Perth now. I said, that's not true. Oh, that's what I was told. I said, that is not true. Not true. Everyone in Russia has the equal right to get visa to Australia as anyone, not just Moscow.